Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Valorant on PC Keyboard, only way. Start by confirming your keyboard polling rate is high and raw input is enabled for consistent response. Adjust key bindings so primary abilities sit near your movement keys and aim keys remain untouched. Practice movement drills with bots to build muscle memory and keep sensitivity steady while making small, measured adjustments to fine-tune your aim. Swap default binds to keys you access without moving your wrist to preserve aim stability and reaction time. Favor keys like Q, E, C, and F, and consider a side mouse button if available for an extra input. Test each new bind and practice range for at least 30 minutes to ensure it feels natural. Consistency beats complexity, so lock in a comfortable layout and train it daily. Work on counter-strafing so you can stop and shoot with pinpoint accuracy between steps, which is crucial on keyboard movement. Combine controlled bursts for mid-range fights and single taps for long-range engagements to keep recoil manageable. Incorporate jiggle peeks and shoulder peeks into your routine to gather info while minimizing risk. Regularly drill these skills in aim trainers and custom matches to build.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.